మెదక్ జిల్లా కొల్చారంలోని సాంఘిక సంక్షేమ బాలికల హాస్టల్లో నిర్వహించిన కార్యక్రమంలో రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులతో మాట్లాడారు. విద్యార్థులు గవర్నర్ కాసేపు మాటామంతి కొనసాగింది.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm from 8th standard. My question for you is, in your student life, have you ever stayed in hostel?
Saranya, you have a beautiful name, very lovely name. I like your name.
Thank you, sir.
And I spent my whole life in hostel actually. I studied from class 1 in our time up to class 11. There was no class 12 that time. So I spent in a hostel which was very, very far away from home. And I enjoyed hostel life. You like hostel life?
Yes, sir.
You like playing sports?
Yes, sir.
What else do you do?
Sir?
What else do you do? Do you do painting?
Yes, sir. I like painting.
Very good, very good. You'll become a good artist.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for answering my question.
I'm studying in 8th standard. My question is, who was your role model during in your school days, sir?
During my school time, we had a lot of role models. And one of them was, you can say, what would you say? I have so many role models, very difficult to name any actually. But Bajpayee was a role model for us because he was a great speaker, orator. And we have Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second president of India. He was a great educationist. So we had a lot of role models. And who's your role model?
My parents and teachers, sir.
Very good. That's a very smart answer. You're a very smart girl. I never thought about it.
Thank you, sir.
Very smart. Very good.
Thank you, sir, for answering my question.
Thank you, ma. Teja Rani.
Tejarani from 10th standard. My question is, how can I visit Tripura, sir?
So you have to go for a school excursion, or we'll have to arrange for you to visit. Now you're young, and when you grow up, you can visit yourself and work there also if you feel like. It's a very lovely place.
Yes,
It's
sir.
in the northeast,
Yes, sir.
very green, lot of hills and mountains. So you like it. So we'll welcome you to Tripura one of these days.
Thank you, sir.
Arrange something.
Thank you, sir.
We'll arrange something.
P. Nandini.
Myself Nandini from 10th standard. Sir, I'm feeling very happy to interacting with you, sir. This is my memorable day, sir. Sir, my question is, what are the problems you have faced to achieve this position, sir?
So there are no problems actually. They are all solutions. You must look for solutions, not problems. There are no problems in life. They are only solutions. There are challenges and there are solutions. So don't look for problems, and I have no problem. There are some challenges which you have to meet. As a student, you will be meeting, in your career, you will be meeting challenges. And every challenge has a solution. And you are a smart girl. You will do very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for my question.
First thing is, happy to see you, sir. And please tell us how to stay confident in difficult situations.
First thing, I am very happy to see you also. You are a very smart girl and you asked a very nice question.
Thank you, sir.
There is nothing difficult, as I said. No? Napoleon once said, Napoleon, the great warrior, he once said, there is nothing known as impossible in my dictionary. So nothing is impossible, nothing is difficult. It is just when you study hard, when you study well, you play well, and you paint, and you take part in extracurricular activities, you will find that most of the things in life are easy. We think now as you are small and young, you think, there will be a lot of difficulties. There are no such difficulties, and being in a good school like this, with a lot of activities, I am sure you will overcome all difficulties, and you will do it with flying colors.
Okay, thank you, sir, for saying the answer.
The classroom. What is your opinion on it, sir?
What is that?
The brains of our nation come from the last bench of classroom.
I also sat in the last bench.
Me too, sir.
So it is not that, the first bench or last bench is not a question of benches. It's a question of how hard you work and how much you achieve. Einstein, you know Einstein? The great scientist?
Yes, sir.
Someone asked him, what is your, secret of your success? And he gave one-line answer. 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. So you have to work hard, and you will find first bench, second bench, third bench, or last bench, does not matter.
Thank you, sir.
And very nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Anuvamshika from 5th class. My question is, what is your favorite subject, sir?
You are very small in size, but asked a very difficult question. What is my favorite subject? My favorite subject is literature. I like to read, I like to know.
And why, sir?
Because a book is your best friend. Literature means reading books, isn't it? And the book is your best friend. And your question is the best. You may be small in size, but the question is very big. So very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
One big thank you so much, sir. Our heartfelt. I request.
Good afternoon. On the dais, the Honorable MP and the Honorable MLA, Principal Secretary to the Governor and Urban Development, Secretary Social Welfare and other dignitaries on the dais. It's been a great afternoon meeting you all and interacting with you all. Very nice questions. I hope I have been able to answer them. And when I came to this school, I was quite impressed at the very beginning only. Such smart girls welcomed me in a very smart way. And your school band is also very, very good. And while I was sitting on this stage, the Principal Secretary told me that many girls have, scaled mountains and done very well from the school. So this tradition you have to keep up. If you can climb mountains, there's nothing more difficult. Because in life also you'll have to climb so many mountains and become the top person. And I'm happy to know the government is running schools like this, of this standard. All girls are well dressed, well spoken, not nervous to ask questions. As the MP was saying, you must ask questions and you must also find the answers. And as one young student was asking me problems, never look for problems, only look for solutions. Instead of being a problem finder, be a solution giver. That is the whole idea. And study well. And this school offers a lot of games. You must also play well. A healthy mind and a healthy body. That is what the nation is looking for. And you are the future of Telangana and future of the country. What dreams you see today will be the reality of tomorrow. So dream hard. You must dream, you must have dreams. And you must try to fulfill them. Only having dreams and going to sleep is not the answer. You will have dreams, and on your part, you will have to try and fulfill them. And this type of schools for girls, I believe, are one of the best things that is happening. Because young girls have to find their own self in the long journey of life. Life is a journey. You have to find yourself, you have to find the path where you want to go. You will become engineers, you will become doctors, you will become everything you want to be. But after becoming a doctor, you also have to become a good person, a good citizen of India, a good Bharatiya Nagarik. And then this nation can become strong. This nation can only become strong when you become strong. This nation can only get success when you get success. And especially young girls, especially girls. Girls are half the society. Half of our future is girls, young girls. So when you do well, the nation will do well, your state Telangana will do well, your village will do well, and your homes will do well. So I wish you all the best. Study hard, work hard, play hard, dream hard, and become achievers. And it's great that I have been able to visit this school, and I thank the school administration for being here and calling you all to interact with me and to see you all, and lovely performance, the cultural performance I could see. Lovely dance, classical Indian dance, lambada dance, English dance. So very nice. All round a lovely band, lovely NCC. So you have a very school that is very active. It is not a school that is not active. So you also have to be active. Because solutions lie in action, not in only thinking. No solution can be, I won't do anything. Problems will not go away by saying, I will not do anything. When you do something, then problems will become too small. Even big things will look small when you do something, when you do action. And when you don't do action, when you only think about problems, then what happens? Problem looks like a mountain. So I wish you all the very best and a very bright future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.